herbal drugs regulation in India. So it is discussing about the manufacturing of the herbal drugs. For the manufacturing the herbal drugs, what are the regulations to be followed in India, and how the premises are there, and how to get the application from the license authority, and how we can prepare by the end, how we can get the loan license for the manufacture of the herbal drugs. Mainly 80% of the world populations, they are reliable on the herbal drugs. They believes the herbal drugs, it is used mainly for the preventive or curation of the disease, any disease, particularly major diseases like anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, and hypertension, etc. The worldwide, these are the major drugs are spread over in the globe for the identifying the drugs to cure the diseases. Mainly herbal drug regulations, how it is followed in India, that we are discussing. Herbal drugs. These herbal drugs, it is regulated under the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. That it is called as DNC Act 1940 and rules 1945 in India, where regulatory provisions for Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha medicine are clearly laid out. In India, mainly the Indian system of medicines. The Indian system of medicines, it is comes under the includes Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy. So it comes under the Department of Ayush. This under the also it is regulated by the Department of Health and Welfare. The Department of Ayush, it is a regulatory authority and a mandate that any manufacture or marketing of herbal drugs have to be done after obtaining manufacturing license as applicable. They only their authority to give the license to manufacture the any herbal drugs. Also to give the permission after manufacturing the drug, they are the authority to go for the marketing of the herbal medicines after preparing them, after getting the license. The DNC Act extends the control over licensing, formulation, composition, manufacture, labeling, packing, quality, and export. These are the parameters included the controlling the DNC Act controlling all the parameters. Schedule T of the Act lays down the good manufacturing practice, which requirements to be followed for the manufacture of the herbal medicines. The official pharmacopoeias and formularies are available for the quality standards for the medicines. The official pharmacopoeia, as already everyone knows, like Indian pharmacopoeia and British pharmacopoeia, USP, all. As per the DNC Act 1940, it is amended in 1964. As per that, the definition we can call that Ayurveda, Siddha or Unani drug includes all medicines intended for the internal or external use for or in the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation or prevention of the disease or disorder in human beings or animals, and manufactured exclusively in accordance with the formulae described in the authoritative books of Ayurveda, Siddha, and Unani system of medicine specified in the first schedule. If you are seeing in Ayurveda, separate pharmacopoeia available. Separate pharmacopoeia, Ayurvedic Formulary of India, part 1 and part 2. And Siddha also, Siddha Formulary of India available. Same like that for referring that Unani system. That same like separate books available to maintain the various formulae under the Unani system of medicines. Everything it is specified in the first schedule. The Indian system of registration of herbal medicinal products has provision in each state via State Drug Licensing Authority of Ayush. That means Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani drugs. That mainly the herbal drug manufacturing license approval, what it is required. Mainly approval of plan of premises. Approval of plan of premises. That plan, that premises where we are going to manufacture the drug, that approve, that plant, premises plant, it should be approved. That submission of application with the documents to licensing authority for grant of license. We have to submit the application to the authority for granting the license. Then inspection of premises by inspector and reporting to the LA for taking action. The particular inspector will inspect to the particular premises where the premises approved according to the plan, and then the inspector report to the authority for taking the further action. Then further grant of license by the authority, licensing authority. If the authority is satisfied, it is recommended by the inspector, it particular license to be given to be granted to the particular manufacturing unit to prepare the Ayurveda medicine or herbal medicines. Then appeal in case of rejection of application. If suppose if it is rejected, we can go for the appeal. Then renewal of license. Then every time we have to particular time we have to renew the license. Then additional product permission. If apart from the permission, it is provided to manufacture the sub-drugs. If we are interested to purchase, if we are interested to manufacture some drugs, we have to get the permission to manufacture the additional product. That is additional product permission. The addition of new category in the license, that is also required. For any new category drugs, if we are going, for that also we are going to get the license. Then technical person approval, that who are working under the particular company, we have to get the approval. He is eligible to prepare the drug or manufacture the drug. It is called as quality control. The technician should be approved. The technical person should be approved. Then approval of plant of premises. How that area, how it is required, how much it is required. That manufacturing area as per the schedule T. Area in square feet. Office 100 square feet. Workers room 80 square feet per each gender. Then raw material store 100 square feet. Finished product store 100 square feet. Quarantine room 100 square feet. Packaging material store 100 square feet. Bottle washing room 100 square feet. Bottle drying room 100 square feet. Packing and labeling room 100 square feet. QC lab 100 to 150 square feet. That it may be chemistry or cognosy. For PTL 800 square feet, it is also either cognosy or chemistry. That Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani drugs and microbiology, that sample room, that office cum record room, that all the list of equipments, what it is given, that we have to maintain. Submission of the plan of premises to LA for approval. What are the documents required? Forwarding letter addressed to the authority. The original challan for fee of rupees 50. 4 copies of the plan. It includes the following key plan, that plan, elevation, end view, the address of the premises and the signature of the authority person. Plan is scrutinized by plan committee and approval for the construction of the premises. Premises is to be constructed as per the approved plan. Machineries and equipments are to be installed. Technical persons are to be employed. All documents are to be prepared and the application is to be submitted to the licensing authority for the issuing of the license. The application submits to the licensing authority. Forwarding letter addressed to the LA for license authority for obtaining the license. The application form number 24D duly filled and signed by authority person, particular authorized person. Form of forms details duly filled and signed by the authority or authorized person. Original challan for license fees as per the requirements, that means rupees 1000 plus 500 for the GP certificate. That original plan of premises, 1 copy required. Document recording possession of the premises, that is that also possession certificate required. The document recording constitutions of the firm, that list of products, what are the products we are going to manufacture, that 4 copies along with the product details form it required. The draft label of the each product, 3 copies required. The list of machineries and equipments, 1 copies. List of equipments, laboratory equipments, 1 copy. List of the approved technical persons with their degree and experience certificate, appointment letter, acceptance letter forms, 1 copy. Detailed method of analysis of the products and raw materials. Consent letter of the public testing laboratory, PTL. List of SOPs for the each equipment. Then master formula card for the each product. Then xerox copy of the reference books, products, about the products regulations and mainly the product ingredients. What are the ingredients to be used? What is a major formula? Inspection of the premises by the inspector and a report to the license authority. Inspection of the premises by inspector is carried out for the verification of the areas of the premises, the documents, machineries and equipments. This are all to be checked. Laboratories of the, what are the laboratory and what are the equipments fixed in the laboratory, and the technical persons requirements, that other remuneration requirements if any as per the law. Detailed report of inspection is submitted to the licensing authority by the inspector along with his recommendations for grant or rejection or complaints of the license. The LEA grant or reject applications for license. That is license form number 25D. License granted is valid for 5 years from the date of grant. License granted in form 25D is to be renewed for another period of 5 years. New license is to be obtained in case of change in constitutions of the firm within 3 months. Separate license is to be obtained for change of premises. Procedure for addition of new category in existing license. Any new existing in the existing license, any new category we are including means what are things required. New plan showing old and new category is to be submitted for approval to the licensing authority as discussed previously. Additionally, fee rupees 20 is to be paid by the challan. Plan is approved by the planning committee. Premises is to be constructed for new category as per the new plan. Machineries and equipments are to be installed. Technical persons are to be employed. All documents are to be prepared and the application is to be submitted to the LA for granting new category of cosmetics. The following documents are to be submitted to the licensing authority. Forwarding letter addressed to the LA, original challan for fee of products as per the requirements. That time there is no fees to be paid. Original new plan of premises 1 copy. List of products category wise 4 copies along with the product details form. Draft label of the each product. List of machineries and equipments 1 copy. List of approved technical persons 4 copies. Detailed method of analysis of the products and raw materials. Copy of the original with a list of products. The procedure for additional product permission in existing license. This is form for additional item, no fee is prescribed. Application is to be made to the licensing authority for obtaining the permission for additional items with a list of products category wise. That is 4 copies to be submitted along with the product details form. Draft label of the each product as like previous 3 copies. Details of the method of analysis of the products and raw materials. Copy of the original license. That approval of technical persons by the LA. For getting the approval of technical person for particular section, an application along with the documents is to be made to LA by consent manufacturer if degree and experience is as per the rules. Documents are mainly required. Appointment letter of the technical person, acceptance letter of the technical person, copy of the degree certificate, experience certificate, forms of technical person duly filled, verification of the degree certificate, experience is carried out by an inspector and a report is submitted to the LA. LA is approving the TP for technical person for consent section if report is okay. Approval given by LA is valid for all manufacturing units. That procedure for obtaining the loan license. Mainly that forwarding letter, for the loan license, what are the documents to be submitted to get the license? Forwarding letter addition to the address to the LA for obtaining the license. That application form 24E along with the fee rupees 600. Form 123 property filled and signed by the applicant. Copy of the manufacturing licenses of own form along with the list of approved products. List of license from the till date. That forms details duly filled and signed by the authorized persons. Documents recording the possession of the premises, wholesale and a wholesale license. Document regarding constitutions of the particular firm. That list of products category wise 4 copies along with the product detail form with similar products. The draft table of the each product. These are the things mainly required for obtaining the any company license to manufacture from the licensing authority, also to prepare the what are the documents required for the getting the technical person's approval, and mainly to get the loan license, what are the documents to be submitted. These are the various herbal regulations to be followed in the India. Thank you.